Welcome back, guys. So we have seen the login here and the registration. Let's go back to our process login. Just print, remember. Now I'm gonna do something better. Alright, so check whether the user that is trying to log in is an admin or not. If he's an admin or she's an admin, we're gonna say welcome back, Mr. Admin or Mrs. Admin, and we're gonna direct them to their admin space. Otherwise, we're gonna send them back to the login page. So usually what I do when I want to process data from the server, I always do the print R, like this print R here, just to collect the data from here. I mean the usernames and so on. Sorry, the names of my fields. I copy them and I go back to my file here, my PHP, Control V, and now I can address or access the super global variable post. So I'm gonna use it here. Remove this. So if post username is equal to I am the admin, okay. Oh. So if in PHP first condition is, let's say it's the user is NAS, and the second condition is the password name. Notice that I don't type, is 123_456. What do we do? If this is true, begin and end, and you're gonna say echo, just display a message, okay, welcome back Mr. Admin, and you're gonna direct them, but I'm not going to do that, just a comment, direct to admin space. Else we're gonna echo you are not Mr. Admin, and direct them to login page. Alright, so an if, begin and, else, begin and end. Really easy stuff here in PHP. Alright. Now Control S, it's saved. I'm gonna upload it. So always refresh here, gives you the latest one here, and upload. Click twice. I'm clicking twice, guys. But or you can just overwrite. Okay, drag and drop. All right, transfer finished. Now I'm gonna go here and ask Peter123 to log in. You are not Mr. Admin, Mr. Peter. All right. If I use NAS 1234556 login, you are not Mr. Admin, NAS 123456. Why? Because I'm missing the underscore here. All right. So I'm gonna go back and add 123_456. And it tells me welcome back Mr. Admin. So this is like you can use it like debugging, or if you want to collect your data just to see, if you want to code, I always do this. Okay, print my R, then later on I'm gonna what do I do? I'm gonna disable them. All right, let's go back here. I need first to refresh, bring this here. I prefer to click twice. Okay, drag and drop is a bit, sometimes it's a bit transfer finished. Okay, 1 2 3 4 login, and you see there is no print R, only processing. Alright, so that's about PHP. Another thing, this one for process. Okay, I didn't do this one. Okay, I didn't show you this. So I go back here and I enter Peter or Ali 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Semester is 2, and I'm gonna choose 3. Always here it's gonna take the last one. See here, guys, the last one will be saved in your post variable. I'm gonna see why. Can you see, guys, here the skill list is the CSS. I go back and choose PHP and JavaScript, and I send, this PHP coding will be saved. PHP coding. By the way, guys, it's not the PHP coding, but it's always this. Huh? Look at this, guys. 1 2 3. Okay, let me take this one to the example here and copy them here just to analyze what values are stored. So this Peter is coming from the user ID and it's the value here. It has a default, but here I have nothing there, but when the user enters something, it's going to be there. Same thing for this, for this. What about semester? Semester, guys, do you see semester in name? So the value, I choose semester 2, and I choose semester 3, and this is what it gave me, 3. It doesn't, the value for the checkboxes, the input checkboxes, it's not the inner HTML, but it's whatever in the value. Similarly, in the skill list here, guys, when I go to skill list, can you see I have many options, because select is a multiple option or multi-option here. I have many options, and I choose JavaScript and PHP coding, but these are just what the user can see. HTML, in HTML. They won't be stored in variable to process them later. That's why we have a value. So if the user click on JavaScript, the one that will be sent through the post is not this one, but it's this one. That's why we have to provide the value. Alright? That's why in my case I had PHP. Alright? So let's go back here and have PHP. My problem here is that even if I collect many of them, always the latest one will be saved. You see HTML, the last one, because I choose HTML coding, and it's in here. HTML coding is HTML. Now, in order to, because this is a variable, guys, remember, skill list, it's a variable inside the post. You see, this is what. Oh, I didn't choose anything. Okay. You see, guys, skill list is a variable or is part of the post array, and it can accommodate only one variable. That's why it's being the last one override anything that comes before. If I want to do multiple selection and collect a bunch of them, I need to make this name here an array. Don't worry, you're gonna study this in more details when you do PHP next term. I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna refresh and upload. Click twice. Always check this. If I refresh, see what happened here. I'm refreshing, I'm resending the data. Send. See what happened. Resend. Is that working? Alright, what? Use two values. Register. No, it's not working. So probably this one has not been updated. I'm gonna check it here. So F12 and go straight to this element. Skill list. I don't see the array brackets here. So this is how we debug, guys. So most probably I didn't save, or I saved here but I didn't upload properly. So I'm gonna refresh, or maybe I didn't refresh. 1985. 1985. Oh. That's strange. Yeah, now it's here. I can see it. Okay. Now if I choose 3 of them and I submit, boom, I have it here. Can you see it, guys? Skill list as an array, array inside an array, and there I selected the 3 things here. Alright, so that's it for now. I'm gonna stop and continue in the next video. I really don't have any chronometer here. I don't know how much I did, how long I have this video. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. See you later.